Good day everybody. Fix this issue with the wiper. As you see, it's reaching up to here, and that one hitting all the way beneath there. So we need to adjust them, as you can see. Okay, let's do that. So to fix this issue, it should be very simple. Each wiper has a bolt here, so whoever did them before maybe not adjust them really good. As you see, that's what wiper reach up to here. It's supposed to be up to here. So we need to lose this bolt, 14 millimeter. Maybe the best to use is like a socket, or this is the best. You don't have to open the hood. If you want to open the hood, you need to use a socket, but we keep the hood all closed. Lose this one. Then we lift it up a little bit. We may have to open the hood. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so see, this one is loosed. Lift up this one a little bit, and then try to wiggle it a little bit. Now you can, some of the wipers, they have teeth, and this one does not. So there's no teeth here. There is a little bit tiny teeth over there, you see, for grip. Those teeth to grip so it does not slip the wiper when it's on. So what we need to do, simply move it a little bit this way and then put it there. Now we'll have to give it a try. So we'll see if this that one also need adjustment a little bit, but we'll do one of each time. Yeah, see, now if I move it, that one moves too. Okay, now we'll give a try and see. Okay, it went too much. It's gonna hit here. We adjusted way too much, so we're gonna lose it again, and we'll do the same thing again. We just have to make sure it does not move, so we know this is our line here. Lift it up and then put it this way. So that, I think, should help. Let's see now. Give it a try again. Let's tighten this bolt. And let's give it a try again. Let's adjust this one a little bit, and this one, same thing. Lift it up a little bit, wiggle it. Try to wiggle it a little bit. Sometimes they get stuck, like this one here. See, just like that. And then move it a little bit and put it on. Let's see now. So okay, put this one in and tie it up. Okay, so that's be after when we adjust them, and looks much better. But again, there is something wrong with the, that's why there's a lot of play. It could be the gear or the arm maybe twisted. and but for now I think it should be good. Thank you for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time.